Hello artists and crafters. Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach a jump ring to your jewelry piece. Supplies you'll need are a jewelry piece, a jump ring, and I have needle nose pliers, and I have these curved needle nose pliers. You don't need both. You can just work with one. I prefer doing both pairs. And it was brought to my attention that I keep pulling my hands away from the video when I am showing you how to put the jump ring on. And that is my fault. I cannot see what I'm doing, so I pull it closer so I can see. And I want to apologize for that. So let's get started. So there's your piece. And this is going to be coming in an upcoming video. That'll be soon. And what we're going to do is take this jump ring and with my pliers, and you can do it with your fingers too, hold it with one pair of pliers and open it with your fingers, but I used the two pliers, and you open it sideways. Never pull it apart because it'll lose that circle shape. Now that it's open, you take your piece and you just put that on. Okay, now we can close this up. And you just bring these two sides together, and you might have to wiggle it back and forth so you get it together. And that's how it is. There. And now it's attached, and then now you can put a chain or a cord onto it. So I hope you liked this short little video. I hope it was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And I do apologize if any of my videos do have me pulling my hands away and you lose sight of what I'm trying to show you. If there is any problems ever in the future, please comment below and let me know about it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that little bell for any further notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.